各位同學大家好，呢節咧會同大家睇下乜嘢係 neutralization。咁首先呢，我哋睇一睇 neutralization 嘅定義啦。咁其實呢個定義呢就非常簡單嘅。neutralization 係一個 reaction，而呢個 reaction 係介乎 acid 同埋 base 嘅一個 reaction 啦。咁而佢個 product 呢就會係 salts and water only。就只可以有咧 salt 同埋水兩隻嘅 product， 咁呢個咧 reaction 就叫做neutralization 啦。咁乜嘢係 acid 呢？咁我哋早前都學過咧 acid 咧就係當佢溶咗落水之後咧，就會產生 hydrogen ion as the only ion，as the only cation ion。咁即係話咧，只可以係有hydrogen ion 係一個正嘅 ion， 咁呢個先至係 acid。咁而乜嘢係 base 呢？咁 base 咧就其實係一啲嘅 metal oxide 或者咧係 metal hydroxide， 又或者咧係 ammonia。咁呢啲咧我哋可以概括咧叫佢做 base。咁但係咧，如果我哋喺 neutralization 入邊咧，我哋有一個進深少少嘅定義咧，就係乜嘢係 alkali 咧？咁 alkali 咧係一啲嘅 soluble base， 而呢個 soluble base 嘅意思即係話咧，同 acid 一樣，當佢咧溶咗落水，就會產生咧 hydroxide ion as the only anion 啦。咁今次咧就真係 anion 啦。咁呢個嘅 reaction 咧，我哋就叫做 neutralization。好啦 neutralization 咧，其中一個特點咧就係佢係一個咧 exothermic reaction 嚟嘅。exothermic reaction，exothermic reaction 嘅意思即係話咧，當佢 react 嘅時候咧，嗰個 temperature 咧係會 increase 嘅，會升溫嘅。咁譬如舉個例啦，我哋揾隻 beaker 啦，將 acid 同埋 alkaline 加落去，咁然之後咧，我哋係度翻佢嗰個 temperature change 咧，嗰個 temperature 咧係會一路 increase 嘅。咁直至到咧 react 完之後先至會再跌翻落嚟。咁咧呢個咧就係 exothermic reaction 嘅意思啦。拜拜。